All right, so this is chapter 2, problem number 56 from our book, and it reads, you are driving to the grocery store at 20 meters per second. You are 110 meters from an intersection when the traffic light turns red. Assume that your reaction time is 0.7 seconds and that your car brakes with constant acceleration. Part A wants to know, how far are you from the intersection when you begin to apply the brakes? And B asks, what acceleration will bring you to rest right at the intersection? So you can see I've started by writing down the information that they've given us. And now what I want to know, and they were asking us in part A, is how long is it going to take you, or how far are you going to travel before you begin to hit the brakes? So that's a relatively simple question because they want to know just how far do you travel in that 0.7 seconds. So in this instance, we're going to start with v equals d over t, where we're traveling at that constant speed of 20 meters per second, and it goes for 0.7 seconds, and we're going to find that distance. So between the time that it takes you to realize that you see the stop light and you need to stop, you're going to travel 14 meters. All right, and then in part B, they would like to know, you're going to travel 14 meters. So to find out how far you'll actually be, you subtract the two and you get 96 meters. So now they would like to know, what is your acceleration for part B once you start to move like that, once you hit the brakes and you slow down. All right, so to do that, I'm going to start with v sub f squared minus v sub o squared equals 2ad. All right, we know that we come to a stop, so our initial speed is 0. Our final speed was 0. Our initial speed is 20 meters per second, and that'll be squared. Then we have 2 times 96, and then we need to find our acceleration. And then solving for a, we find that our acceleration is negative 2.08 meters per second squared. And we should get a negative acceleration because it means that we're slowing down, which is obviously the case here as we're going from 20 to 0. So that was chapter 2, number 56.